Hey, it's Brent. We're going to install a pocket door. I've got this all framed out, ready to go. I just bought a kit. By the time you buy all the materials, it costs the same amount anyways. Everything in the instructions gives you the rough opening size, and so I've framed that out in here. Make sure your jambs and everything are, your studs are all nice and plumb, because that's going to be, if they're out a little bit, it's going to just cause you problems. Make sure it's not too small, not too big. But if you follow the instructions, you should be good to go. So let's get started. Gonna put our hangers on, measure down 2 inches like the instructions. I like to pre-drill into the top of the door. Make sure you have the top of the door, because you don't want to do this twice. Okay. Make sure you put the little bumper in. A lot of them, kits already have them installed. This one doesn't. And the problem is you get the drywall in there, you have real trouble getting that in. I've done it, but it's not fun. So you can see the doors sitting nice and tight on that jamb. So as long as everything moves good and it's good to go, there are adjustments up in the top. It seems to be moving all right. Normally on a laundry room you wouldn't need to lock it. We're going to put the lock in backwards to keep my son from going in there.